alam na meron palang... Ay! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! What's happening? Oh my God! Hindi na tayo ngayon! Nagkakaputukan dito! Oh my God! Oh my God! Sir, sir! Hindi na tayo ngayon! Nagkakaputukan dito! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hindi po gobyerno ang gumawa nito. We agree that the thing to do now is to tell our people all to calm down. And we will get to the bottom of this. Alamin natin kung sino ang gumawa nitong gulo na ito.
Thank you.
Yung isang senador, yan ang nakaupo dyan.
If you raise the flag of ISIS, that was the time I said,
Basis of detention. So, whatever.
Hindi na tayo membro ng ICC. Why are we insisting to carry out this, to implement this warrants of arrest issued by ICC? We are not we are under no obligation to carry out such a warrant of arrest. Hindi tayo membro. At ang klaro dyan, lahat ito ay politika.
Alam na meron palang...